Breakfast with Uncle # Uncle Duties.
Good morning.
Yeah.
You ready to make some breakfast? What do you want to make?
Scrambled eggs.
Hmm?
Scrambled eggs.
Alright, let's go. That's a little noise.
How much eggs do you need?
I don't know. It's all. Make sure my shell not get in there, you know. Lord God, watch your shell. No, you don't have to put it in it. We're going to use one fork. No, use your finger. Just pull it apart. Pull it. No, pull it in two, like this. You gotta open it up in two. Now you got this. Okay. You holding it comfortably? We're gonna have get that shell out. We doing it. So now we're gonna. Oh wait, we gotta show them. You see how we get down? No man, listen up. You have to have to set bomb like how we set bomb. Hold it so. Put the egg over here so like make sure it holds and hold it like this. You see me? And then you just want to pull it. No man, don't let us pull it. Yeah. You see that it just let me. Alright, now see you know for the next one by yourself now. Let's see if you can. Yeah man, no, alright. See if you can just open it. Open it. Hold on, a 7 egg, I just 7 egg. No, put it in there, right? Yeah.
Your crop 6 bumbo clock 7 egg. My lady said 6 stop.
Put it in
6 pussy rocks clock bumbo clock
Yo, man, video man, yo.
Put it in here.
Yes. Hold on, little bit. Enough. Hold on, little bit. Go on.
Is that?
Put some more, man. Put some more. Olive oil, man, it's good for you. Sometimes they throw let's throw the eggs in there. Come on. Ooh, you hear that? Where's the spoon? Go get the spoon, cause you're gonna have to stop there.
Use a spatula. Don't teach my daughter food.
Yeah, Jamaican, go for spoon.
Here, baby. Don't scratch up mommy pot and then mommy will beat you. Stop. Come on, know why your uncle and you salt and pepper like we're white. We're supposed to.
Alright, that's your food. What you eating?
Egg.
What? What kind of fruit?
Strawberry, grape, and banana.
Banana.